In today's video we're going to make a delicious creamy avocado pasta and finish that with some beautiful oven roasted vine tomatoes. It's the perfect summer pasta dish and this is how you do it. To start, we're going to place a large pan of salted water onto the stove and then we're going to bring that to a boil and preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade. Next, take 250 grams of vine cherry tomatoes. We're going to place them into a baking tray with a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and then season with salt and pepper. We'll place them into the preheated oven and cook them until the pasta is ready. Next, we'll drop the pasta into the salted boiling water and cook it to the packet instructions, so that's roughly around 9 to 11 minutes. Next, we're going to make the avocado sauce. It's so simple, we'll be able to make it in the time it takes to cook the pasta. So grab yourself a blender. To prepare the avocado, simply cut the knife in to the stone, keeping your fingers well out of the way, and then turn the avocado around the knife until you've cut all the way through. Then simply twist with your two hands, and then you can place the heel of the knife into the stone, twist, and it should come straight out. Now obviously you need to be very careful when you do this. Now take a spoon and you should be able to scoop the filling straight out. Into the blender we're going to place 2 avocados, 2 cloves of garlic, the juice of 2 limes and 90 grams of creme fraiche, and then we're going to blend it until it's completely smooth. After that we'll season it to taste with salt and pepper. Transfer the avocado sauce into a mixing bowl and then place the cooked pasta directly into the sauce. Mix everything together until it's completely coated. By this point, your cherry tomatoes should be about ready. To serve, share the pasta out over 2 plates and then place the cherry tomatoes directly on top of the pasta. Now this is completely optional, but you could finish it with some fresh rocket leaves, maybe a little drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a fresh grind of black pepper. So that's how I make my delicious avocado pasta with oven roasted vine tomatoes. It's absolutely delicious, so creamy but super fresh at the same time. I hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.